Once upon a time, in the heart of an ancient forest, lived a peculiar creature named Echidna. Echidna was no ordinary creature. She was an echidna, known for her unique spiky exterior. One day, Echidna's spiky quills, a source of her protection, became a cause for concern. They were not just defensive armor, but also a barrier that prevented her from forming bonds with others. The villagers admired Echidna from afar, but they were wary of her prickly appearance. Echidna, too, longed for companionship, but her spikes seemed to be an insurmountable obstacle. One day, a wise old owl, who had lived for centuries in the forest, noticed Echidna's plight. The owl, who had seen many generations pass, knew the power of change and adaptation. He approached Echidna and said, "Echidna, your spikes are a part of you, but they need not isolate you. Adapt, and they can become a source of friendship, not fear." Echidna pondered the owl's words. She realized that her spikes were a part of her, and they could be used to protect, not just herself, but others as well. With determination in her eyes, Echidna began to change. She softened her spikes, making them less intimidating, yet still effective as a defense. The villagers, surprised and intrigued, approached Echidna. They found that her softer spikes were not threatening, but inviting. Friendships bloomed, and Echidna was no longer alone. From then on, Echidna stood tall in the heart of the forest, not as a symbol of fear, but of change, adaptation, and unity. Her story serves as a reminder that even our perceived flaws can be transformed into strengths, bridging the gaps that separate us.